All right, welcome to Bitcoin the Q. Today we're going to talk about how Bitcoin can be used as a sentiment indicator to buy QQQ when it is down, especially now that we're back in the golden pockets, given that we drew this as being the low, November 15, and right here, the December 15 as the high. So that is the golden pocket once again. This is the Santa Claus rally that occurred that hit resistance, and now we're back at the golden pocket, and now look, we're up already. The signal was here by the 512 call when it was trading under 512. That is the one for January 2nd expiration at 252. What is it right now? It is right now 360. Quite high already, up quite a lot, and is still under the VWAP, so why not continue to buy? Because VWAP is 514, so we still have more room to run, and the idea behind that is that Tesla is going to close above 415, which is the November high, right? The November 2012 high. So it's going to be an easy breakout and retest. And my idea was, why would the market maker work so hard to pump it up and then not close it to have a strong close above the November 2021 high, right? So this is looking back at the November charts, and we can see that the November high was 415. That's what I meant. And then Bitcoin being up quite a bit, that was a good indicator to say, hey, let's just buy at the bottom, especially when it's going to be double bottoming, close to double bottoming here, right? And what are some of the plays? So the plays are easy. We talked about how we're using NVIDIA as a sentiment indicator to go long, right? So this is the old video from yesterday when we took Boeing calls when it was at 172. We're saying that, hey, NVIDIA is turning green. Why not use QQQ as a sentiment indicator to go long on Bitcoin with 10x leverage? And guess what? It went as high as 96,000, and that was the target zone. Target was 95 to 97. Target hit a 2% move with 10x leverage. That's a 20% gain. So congratulations on anyone that took that. And of course, Boeing was down, and now it is up, right? It was up, hit the 179 at open, so all our positions are now closed. But what about the penny stocks? Penny stocks, hey, live person, that was a call. LPSN is a low cap stock that has a solid close above Friday, above $1, currently trading at 117. What did that trade up to today? Well, it's actually a good time to buy in if you're not in, or if it did sell at the top today when it pumped to $2.08. Alert was here. Boom, over 75% gain in one day, and now it's looking like it's time to buy back if you did sell. If you did not, hold on to this because this potentially has more room to run. Bull market still intact. Tesla aiming to close above 415.50 for a strong close of the year, right above the high of 2012 or 2021. And look, it's still running. Where are we at now on those call options? Go back to Robinhood. It's probably going to be quite high, but we can just take a look at Webull. What is the price of that now? The 512 call. Oh, this is actually December. We got the January 2nd one. So the 512. Ooh, very good. 380 since the alert when it was 252. Quite good, right? Quite good indeed. So that's how you use the sentiment indicator of Bitcoin to buy QQQ calls, especially when it is at support. But we can take a look at some of the stocks. Apple back to 250, which is good, right? It broke out to all-time highs. Now it's retesting to the breakout points. NVIDIA 135 back down. This is a range again. Amazon 220, AVGO 235. And we can see that Meta is under 600, which is actually now a buy zone once again. Google fluttering around at 190 to 200, back in that buy zone. Costco, the weakest of that, but it looks like it has also found some supports, right? Some supports. Palantir is back in support range. MSTR is looking at MSTR. It is actually okay because given that it is still around the same price as the breakout price, the gap price, right? So it is okay. So strong close above this price makes it seem quite okay to be in that new range, right? 293.45. As long as it closes above that, it is okay. So that is that, using Bitcoin as a sentiment indicator to go long on QQQ, which was the opposite of yesterday, using QQQ as a sentiment indicator to go long on Bitcoin. So if you want to trade Bitcoin with leverage, it's quite good. Bitunix, link is in below. Referral bonuses are there, and then you can go long or shorts on the pumps to get some extra trading, especially if you're using QQ as a sentiment indicator. All right, hope this helps. Altcoins are intact. Bitcoin will range, and that is that. So good luck trading. Let's take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Recollect yourself, trade well, and stay focused. Cheers.